I'm very happy because today we are going to learn English. Alright? So today we are going to learn about animals. About what? Animals. Hewan. You can see all the animals in page 118. Can you open up page 118? 118. Okay? Alright? Can you find 118? Alright, class, are you ready now? Yes, we are ready. Okay, now we have some animals here. Can you see? There are a lot of animals here. Alright? So I want to ask you. So, what animal that can fly? What is that? It's a bird. Yes. Can you write bird? B-I-R-D. It's a bird. Alright? And what else? What animals can you see here? Wow, I see an animal that can run very fast. What is that? It's a horse. Very good. Can you write horse? H-O-R-S-E. It's a horse. Kuda. Is kuda your favorite animal? I like horse. Do you like horse? Yes, because they can run very fast, right? Okay, next. Can you see an animal that can jump? Jump and they eat carrot. Do you know what animal is that? It's a rabbit. Very good. Can you write rabbit? R-A-B. What else? B-I-T. Very good. It's a rabbit. It's kelinci. Who likes kelinci here? Anyone? Okay. You like rabbit? Do you like rabbit? Yeah, me too. I like rabbit. Zaid? Ali? Do you like rabbit? Yes. Me too. I like rabbit. Alright. Now. Wow. I see an animal that is in the water. Can you guess what animal is that? It's a fish. Wow, there are a lot of fish in here. Okay? Fish. They live in water. Fish. Do you know what fish is? Ikan. Very good. Ikan. Okay. Who likes ikan here? Do you like fish? Do you like fish? Yes, I like fish and I quite often to eat fish. Do you like to eat fish? Alright. Okay, next. Wow. Wow, this is my favorite animal. Can you guess what is my favorite animal? The animal that also can eat fish. They like fish. And they have 4 legs. They have 4 legs. Can you guess what is that? They have the sound like this. Meow. Meow. Yes, it's a cat. Can you write cat? C-A-T. Cat. It's kucing. Do you have cats in your house? Anyone? Do you have a lot of cats? Anyone here? Wow! Do you know the color? The color, they have a lot of colors, right? And most of them, they have black or white color, isn't it? Right? Okay. Now we have what animal? They eat grass. They have 4 legs. And the sound like this. What is that? It's a goat. a lot of goats everywhere when it's the big day of Muslim, it's in Idul Adha, right? I believe you like to see goats there. Okay, next. We have the last one. We have the animal that have 2 legs, but they also have 4 fingers. Do you know what is that? They have the sound like this. They actually can sound in the morning, pagi hari, ada suaranya. Can you guess what is that? The sound is like this. Kukuruyuk. What is that? It's a chicken. Can you write chicken for me? It's CHICK. What else? E. What else? And it's a chicken. Okay. So can you guess what is your favorite animals here? You can write 2 animals if you want here. Okay? Mine is I like bird because they can fly everywhere, and also I like horse because they can run very fast, right? They have horse has 2 legs, right? All right. Okay. Now can we say together? You can repeat after me. Bird, horse, rabbit, fish. Say again. Fish. And cat, goat. Say again. Goat. And the last one is, yes, chicken. All right. Now I want you to open up page 125. 125. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Can you find 125? Okay. Alright, so here, can you see here? This is my farm. Can you repeat after me? Ulangin lagi setelah Miss ya. Oke, ulangin. Baca dulu. This is my farm. Say again. This is my farm. I have 10 ducks. I have 10 ducks. Lebih cepat. I have 10 ducks. 8 rabbits. Ulangin. 8 rabbits. Lebih cepat. 8 rabbits. 6 horses. Say again. 6 horses. Lebih cepat. 6 horses. 4 goats. One more time. 4 goats. Lebih cepat. 4 goats. And 2 cows. Say again. 2 cows. One more time. 2 cows. Very good. I also have. One more time. I also have 1 cat and 1 dog. Say again. 1 cat and 1 dog. Very good. Sekarang kita mau bikin lebih cepat lagi ya. This is my farm. Ulangi. This is my farm. I have 10 ducks. 8 rabbits. 8 rabbits. Ulangi. 6 horses. Very good. 4 goats. Ulangi. Very good. And 2 cows. Ulangi. 2 cows. I also have. Ulangi. Okay. And cat and 1 dog. Ulangi. Very good. Now di sini kita lihat nih ada this is my farm. Ini adalah Ini adalah kebunanku. I have 10 ducks. Atau bisa juga kalau farm itu adalah peternakan. Nah, I have 10 ducks. Aku punya berapa? 10 apa? Bebek. I have 10 ducks. 8 rabbits. 8 rabbits. Berapa egg itu? Yes, 8 rabbits. Kelinci. 8 kelinci. And 6 horses. 6 horses. 6 berapa sih? 6 apa? Kuda, my favorite animal. And 4 goats. 4 kambing. And 2 cows. 2 sapi. And also have 1 cat. Ada 1. Can you see cat here? I didn't see cat here. Where is the cat? Oh, the cat is here, nearby the ducks. Here, the black one is a cat. I have 1 cat. And also at the back we can see the dog. Ada anjing di sini juga, oke? Ada anjing 1. Jadi ada berapa nih? In total banyak banget ya. 10, 8, 6, and 4, and 2, and also 2 more animals. Okay. Now I want you to see for your homework. You can do it in your home. Page 127. Can you find 127 now? I'll be waiting for you. 127. Okay, can you find now? Alright, ini ada gambar-gambar binatang, tapi acak-acakan, masih berantakan. Jadi kalian harus apa? Harus benerin ya. Jadi A, C, T. Ini kan gambar apa? Ini gambar apa? What picture is this? Is a cat. Jadi tulisnya harus C, C, A, A, T. Cat. Oke? C, A, T. Oke? Alright, dikerjakan ya halaman 127. Dan ini Miss mau kalian kerjakan halaman ini di bawahnya. Oke, kalau tadi kita udah lihat ceritanya ada banyak binatang di belakang. Kita udah ceritain tadi ada 10 bebek, 10 ducks and everything. Dan kita akan bikin kalimat sendiri. I believe you can do it. Miss percaya pasti kalian bisa juga ngelakuinnya. Oke, jadi lihat contohnya ada di halaman 125, 127 bikin sendiri ya anak-anak pintar. Dan nanti di sini, wah ada berapa di sini? I have chickennya ada berapa ya? Ayamnya ada berapa ya? Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 chickens. Remember, kalau bendanya atau binatangnya lebih dari 1, kita harus menambahkan huruf apa di belakangnya? Yes, huruf S. Jangan lupa. Jadi kalau chicken jadinya chickens. Oke. Kalau horse jadinya horses. Oke. Kalau cow jadinya cows. Very good. Easy ya semuanya. Itu PR-nya. Silahkan mengerjakan. Itu saja dari Miss. Semoga kalian tetap semangat belajarnya. Sampai bertemu insya Allah next week, minggu depan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.